Hi everyone! So now that you've learned how to purl, I just wanted to show you a few things that just knitting and purling achieves. So here we have our stockinette stitch cowl that I presume you're currently working on. You'll see that this is not a reversible fabric. Again, it's V's on one side and these purl bumps on the wrong side. So that's a very simple fabric. The next project that we'll take you through that alternates knits and purls is our seed stitch cowl. So this is what you can do with just knits and purls, and we alternate them horizontally as well as vertically in the columns. So all this is, this lovely texture, is an alternating combination of knits and purls. So here you'll see a purl bump and then a knit, a purl and then a knit. And vertically it's a purl and a knit, a purl and knit, so on and so forth. And that is our seed stitch cowl. The other great thing that knits and purls get you is ribbing. You'll see that this is used to stabilize the edge of a lot of fabrics. You'll see this on your sweatshirts. You'll see this on the edges of hats, like so, because it is a very stable fabric. Unlike just plain stockinette, you'll see that here it does not curl in at the edges. So it's used to stabilize stockinette fabric that way. It's also stretchy because those purl columns are pulling it in the back. But you'll see that knits and purls are just the opposite of one another, and it's very easy to see in a ribbing like this, because if I stick my finger here, right where that purl column is, and flip it over, it is in fact a knit on the back side. So it really just depends on your perspective. The other really great thing we can do with knits and purls is just to create some fun texture to add some pizzazz to your project. So here I've made a modified version of the winter hat. And you'll see that I've just added these purls in to create this kind of chevron pattern on the edge of the hat that goes all around. So you can play with different designs, you know. Our projects are pretty simple, but especially with the winter hat, there's a lot of room to play if you just want to substitute a fun little design like this by the addition of purls. And there you go. Happy knitting, guys.